The second essential step in your journey toward English fluency with the Speak Real English method is to immerse yourself in listening practice. However, it is not simply about exposing yourself to every kind of English content available. It is about being intentional and selective with what you listen to. Focus on the specific type of English you wish to comprehend and eventually use in your conversations. For instance, if your goal is to confidently discuss current events with others, then make it a habit to listen to news broadcasts in English. Choose news stations, online articles read aloud, or English-speaking podcasts that focus on world affairs and social issues. On the other hand, if your dream is to engage in lively conversations about sports with friends, then your listening material should revolve around sports commentary, game analysis, and interviews with athletes. Tailoring your listening practice to your personal interests ensures that you learn the vocabulary, expressions, and tones that are directly useful for your real-life conversations. If your intention is to master everyday conversations and socialize more naturally, then immersing yourself in casual English is the key. Watch lighthearted sitcoms, enjoy drama series featuring everyday interactions, or tune into podcasts where people have informal and relaxed discussions. These types of listening experiences expose you to the rhythms, slang, and idiomatic expressions that native speakers use daily. Natural English often includes small talk, humor, and casual storytelling, which textbooks cannot fully capture. By listening to this kind of English regularly, you will start to feel more comfortable and fluent in real social settings. Remember, listening should become a part of your routine, just like eating, sleeping, or exercising. It is important to make English listening an enjoyable habit rather than a tedious chore. Find content that truly interests you, so that you look forward to your listening sessions. Whether it is news, sports, entertainment, podcasts, or documentaries, choose materials that excite your curiosity and keep you engaged. The more emotionally connected you feel to what you are hearing, the more naturally you will absorb the language patterns, the intonation, and the cultural nuances embedded within. You do not have to understand every single word. In fact, it is perfectly normal not to catch everything at first. The goal is to develop a comfort with the sounds of English, to familiarize your ear with different accents, speech speeds, and communication styles. Over time, your brain will automatically start to recognize patterns, anticipate meanings, and fill in gaps. Listening is a passive yet powerful form of learning that strengthens your speaking abilities without you even realizing it. Another helpful strategy is to diversify your sources. Try to listen to a variety of speakers from different backgrounds. Some may have a British accent, others may sound American, Australian, or from other parts of the English-speaking world. Exposure to different accents not only improves your comprehension skills but also boosts your confidence when interacting with diverse speakers. In real life, English speakers come from all over the globe, and getting used to this variety is a huge advantage. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Even just a few minutes of focused listening every day will compound into significant improvement over time. Make English part of your environment. Play English podcasts while commuting, listen to songs while doing chores, watch interviews while having a snack, or simply relax with an English audio story before sleeping. Every moment spent listening adds up and brings you closer to your fluency goals. Above all, stay patient and trust the process. Every second you dedicate to listening builds a stronger foundation for speaking, thinking, and even dreaming in English. Let your learning be natural, enjoyable, and continuous. By making English listening a joyful and regular part of your life, you are taking one of the most powerful steps towards speaking real English with confidence and authenticity.